Okay, so two students have shown their work for a sphere. So step one, they both plugged in the equation, 4/3 pi r cubed, nothing wrong with that. And it's probably a good idea to examine the situation up here. It's a spherical ball with a diameter of 15. So maybe draw a picture for yourself and say, well, the diameter is all the way across. That is 15. So the radius, what I would actually use in the problem will be 7.5 or half of 15. So right away, I'm going to notice that Matt substituted in the diameter, whereas Billy substituted in the radius. It says, which student made an error and what error did they make? You do not have to look any further. You say Matt made a mistake. He used the diameter instead of the radius. There could be more mistakes, but we're not interested. We are clearly asked which one made a mistake and what did they make. We just found it.